Did you know the pesticides you're spraying in your garden might be killing more than just pests? Studies show these chemicals can contaminate your water, food, and soil, potentially leading to serious health issues from neurological disorders to cancer. Imagine stepping into your garden and knowing every plant is defended by nature's own tools. In this video, I'm sharing 10 powerful alternatives that work effectively without the scary side effects. Ever wonder if what you threw away yesterday could be your secret weapon tomorrow? You'd be surprised. The ingredients for effective pest control are probably already sitting in your kitchen right now, waiting to protect your garden naturally. Did you know those orange peels you throw away could be your best defense against ants and spiders? Most people toss out what pest control companies don't want you to discover. The secret is D-limonene found in citrus peels. This compound disrupts insects' respiratory systems and destroys the waxy coating on their bodies. For bugs, it's like their outer armor dissolves while they struggle to breathe. Simply rub fresh peels along windowsills, door frames, and entry points. This creates a barrier that pests avoid. One gardener in Arizona completely eliminated her ant problem by placing orange peels around her flower beds. For better results, make a citrus spray. Boil peels in water for 10 minutes, cool, strain, and add dish soap. The soap helps the solution stick longer. This works effectively on ant trails and spider-prone corners while remaining safe enough for children to help apply. What if I told you there's a powder made from tiny fossilized algae that acts like microscopic razor blades to insects but is completely harmless to humans and pets? This miracle substance is diatomaceous earth, and it works in a completely different way than chemical pesticides. Unlike toxic sprays, diatomaceous earth works physically. Its microscopic sharp edges, nature's tiny, precise warriors, cut through insects' exoskeletons, causing them to dehydrate and die. Bugs cannot develop resistance to it because it's a physical process, not a chemical they can adapt to. Using it is simple. Sprinkle a thin layer in cracks, along baseboards, under appliances, and in garden beds. This creates an invisible barrier that crawling insects can't cross. Always use food-grade diatomaceous earth. The pool-grade variety contains crystalline silica that's harmful when inhaled. It works against fleas, bedbugs, cockroaches, and garden pests, then breaks down into harmless silica in the soil. The refreshing scent of mint that makes your tea so delightful actually sends pests running in the opposite direction. Nature's own security system is hiding in your herb garden. What gives mint its pest-fighting power? The strong essential oils, especially menthol, overwhelm insects' sensory receptors and mess up their ability to find food and mates. Mint acts like nature's bouncer, keeping unwanted guests at the door. Position plants in terracotta pots, at least 10 inches deep, near doors, windows, patios, and garden edges. This creates living barriers against ants, mosquitoes, and flies. Always plant mint in containers. It grows aggressively and can take over your entire garden if planted in the ground. Mint protects vegetables like cabbage, tomatoes, and broccoli while attracting beneficial pollinators. Last summer, I harvested mint to make tea and watched as cabbage moths avoided my entire vegetable patch. While vinegar's tangy smell might be pleasant in your salad dressing, it's absolutely unbearable to many common household pests. This kitchen staple is a pest control powerhouse, hiding in plain sight. The science behind this is simple. The acetic acid in vinegar disrupts insects' scent trails and interferes with their navigation. Pests can't communicate or find their way around when vinegar is present, so they actively avoid these areas. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle, adding 10 to 15 drops of peppermint or tea tree essential oil to boost effectiveness and improve the smell. Spray around door frames, windows, kitchen counters, and garbage areas to deter ants, fruit flies, and spiders. Vinegar mainly repels rather than kills pests, working best as prevention. The solution is safe around food preparation areas, children, and pets. No ventilation or gloves required. Those bright orange and yellow flowers work 24/7 as natural pest control agents that major chemical companies don't want you to know about. Marigolds release thiophene, repelling nematodes, whiteflies, and numerous garden pests. This natural pesticide works through both roots and scent, creating protective zones throughout your garden. Border vegetable gardens with these nature's sentinels, plant them between tomatoes and peppers, or place containers near entry points. They create living barriers that often outperform store-bought solutions. Historically, European gardeners have relied on marigolds for centuries, with one French village reporting 40% fewer crop losses when using marigold border plantings. Marigolds specifically protect tomatoes, beans, and squash while attracting beneficial insects like ladybugs that consume harmful pests. These flowers also add vibrant colors, provide edible petals for salads, and can be dried for natural fabric dyes, all while improving soil health with just one planting. The most effective cockroach killer isn't in a spray can with a skull and crossbones. It's probably sitting in your pantry right now, and it costs just pennies per application. This trap works through a clever biological trick. The sugar attracts roaches while the baking soda creates a chemical reaction in their digestive system, releasing carbon dioxide they can't expel, like tiny pressure cookers with no release valve. Mix equal parts baking soda and sugar. Place small amounts in shallow dishes where cabinet shadows meet your kitchen floor, along baseboards or behind your refrigerator where crumbs gather. Unlike chemical baits with neurotoxins harmful to children and pets, this mixture is non-toxic if accidentally touched or ingested by family members. For maximum effectiveness, place a small water source nearby. When roaches drink after eating, it accelerates the reaction, while commercial baits often fail as roaches develop resistance. The same scents that help you relax and unwind actually send pests into a panic. Nature's own chemical warfare system works without harming your family or the environment. Many essential oils contain compounds like eugenol, citronellol, and linalool that interfere with insects' octopamine neurotransmitters. This scrambles their nervous systems, disrupting their behavior. Your home becomes your aromatic fortress. Mix 10 to 15 drops each of peppermint tea tree and lavender oils with 1 cup water and 1 teaspoon dish soap in a spray bottle. The soap helps oils stick to surfaces. Different oils target different pests: peppermint for spiders and ants, tea tree for dust mites, lavender for flies. Cedarwood keeps moths away. Spray around entry points, window frames, and baseboards. Reapply every few days to maintain protection. Essential oil sprays can be customized for specific problems, giving you protection without toxic residues. Long before chemical pesticides existed, gardeners knew a secret. The same compound that gives garlic its distinctive smell is nature's most powerful insect repellent. The magic happens thanks to allicin, which disrupts insects' sensory receptors, masks host plant scents, and acts as a natural fungicide. Triple protection with one spray. Making this spray is simple. Blend 4 to 5 garlic cloves with 2 cups water, steep overnight, strain, add 1 tablespoon mild liquid soap, and dilute with 1 gallon of water. Apply in the evening, focusing on leaf undersides where pests hide. The smell fades for humans within hours while remaining effective against insects. Reapply after rain. My tomatoes were covered in aphids until I tried garlic spray, shares Maria, an urban gardener. Within days they disappeared completely. Unlike targeted chemical solutions, garlic spray repels various insects while preventing fungal diseases like powdery mildew. From a tropical tree comes a substance so effective at controlling pests that even organic farmers consider it their secret weapon. Yet it's gentle enough for home gardens and indoor plants. Neem oil contains azadirachtin, nature's own multi-tool against pests. It prevents insects from growing normally, disrupts feeding patterns, and interferes with reproduction. Insects exposed to it simply can't develop properly. Creating your spray is straightforward. Combine 2 teaspoons neem oil with 1 teaspoon mild liquid soap and 1 quart warm water. Shake thoroughly before each use. Apply in the evening to prevent leaf burn, covering all plant surfaces, especially leaf undersides where pests hide. For protection, reapply every 7 to 14 days or after rain. Effective against aphids, whiteflies, spider mites, scale insects, and caterpillars, neem oil remains safe for beneficial insects like bees when used properly. Its complex compound mixture prevents pest resistance, providing sustainable control for years. The most powerful pest control method isn't something you spray, spread, or plant. It's something you do. Pests need three things to thrive: food, water, and shelter. Remove these, and you've won half the battle before buying a single product. Regular cleaning eliminates food sources and disrupts established colonies. When you consistently maintain cleanliness, your home naturally resists infestations. Focus on these practical areas. Store cereals and grains in sealed containers, not open boxes. Wipe counters after cooking. Fix dripping faucets, clear boxes and papers that harbor insects. Vacuum thoroughly, and empty trash daily. Seal entry points by caulking cracks, repairing screens, and checking weather stripping. Outside, maintain a pest-free perimeter. Keep mulch away from foundations, trim vegetation, eliminate standing water, and ensure proper drainage. Cleanliness prevents problems before they start, creating a healthier home with fewer chemicals and long-term savings. We've seen how these natural solutions work with nature instead of against it. From citrus peels to diatomaceous earth, each method protects your home without harmful chemicals that damage our ecosystem. Remember, combining these approaches creates a stronger defense than using just one. Start with basic cleanliness, then add specific methods that target your particular pest problems. These natural alternatives protect your family, beneficial insects, prevent soil contamination, and keep chemicals out of our water supply. By choosing natural solutions over chemical pesticides, you create a healthier world for everyone. Which method will you try first? Share in the comments which approach resonates most with you. If you enjoyed this, check out my other videos on organic gardening, indoor plant care, and natural home hacks. I promise, there's plenty more green goodness where this came from. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Share this with a friend who's still using chemical sprays. Help them make the switch. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay green, stay clean, and keep those pests out the natural way.